Welcome, today I am with iPad 2021 and I'll show you a couple of camera tricks. Honestly, there's no a lot of options in this camera, but maybe something will be useful for you. So the first I will show you what we can find in the settings. So we have to go for the settings and open the camera. And as you can see right here, we can change the quality of our videos. So we can go at the highest quality for 1080p HD at 60 frames per second. For me that's the best and the more smooth option. Let's pick this one. Right now when you are here, we can also enable to scan QR codes, and when you enable this option and then go for your camera and the photo mode and then just put the QR code. Where is this camera? It's right here. So when you put QR code right here, you will be able to automatically scan it and open to your browser. Okay, and here we can also add the grid lines to our photos. So right now we will get this help grid lines on the screen, as you can see. And also it activate the camera leveler. So if you want to put something inside in the middle in your photo, with these lines you will make it definitely easier. And when you are in the camera mode, you can also change brightness level by tapping on the screen and then moving this icon like that. So as you can see, we can increase or decrease brightness level. The same you can make in the video mode, as you can see. When you click here, we can also add timer to the photos. So after 3 seconds, the photo will be taken. And as you can see, it takes series of the photo. Here we can also find the slow motion, the time lapse, but there is the very common modes that I'm not going to talk about. We can find the panorama mode. That's the useful feature because we can find here ultra wide lens. So when you put your tablet like that, then press on the shutter and then slide like the preview on the line. And then finish. Wait, where it is? Okay, it's right here. So as you can see, we can catch more objects in your photo because we got basically the panorama mode. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.